Okay, on this video I'm going to talk to you about wiper blades. Now wiper blades are kind of funny, not funny but in a bad way, that if you don't clean them properly you'll get lines on your windshield. You probably can't see this, but there is physically etched lines on this glass, and that is because there was sand under the blade. Looks like something like this under your windshield wiper. So you want to get used to cleaning this off every once in a while, or you're going to get some scratches on your windshield that you aren't going to like, and they're permanent and there's not much you could do about them. So I advise you to clean under your wipers occasionally. Also, while you're here on this wiper, you could probably get some of this heavy-duty silicone, put it on a towel and just wipe these blades, because they get real dry and brittle, and that'll keep them to last longer. Plus it'll give you a better wipe when you're wiping your windshield. If you use some type of material like a silicone spray, you don't want to really spray it, you don't want to get it all over the place, but if you put it on a paper towel and rub it on there and get it all wet, you'll get a better clean and it'll last longer. But the main thing is on these scratches here that don't go away, just make sure you clean under your windshield wipers occasionally, just every week or every month or so. If you're in a sandy area, do it more often. Specifically when it's about to rain, make sure it's clean under there. And that's just a maintenance tip that you don't hear, and that might help you in the future.